In today's How You Can Fix Your Erectile Dysfunction video, we'll be talking about how berries and citrus fruit can help you fix your erectile dysfunction. Biochemicals found in berries, citrus fruit, and red wine might help maintain healthy erections, a new nutrition study suggests. Foods in these rich flavonoids are associated with reduced risk for erectile dysfunction. Researchers reported January 13th in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Eating a flavonoid-rich diet may be as good for erectile function as briskly walking for 2 to 5 hours a week. Researchers from Harvard University Chan School of Public Health and the University of East Anglia in England reported. Flavonoids give fruits and vegetables their vibrant colors. The study found that 3 specific flavonoids, anthocyanin, flavonones, and flavins, offer the greatest benefit in preventing erectile dysfunction. Anthocyanins are generally found in blueberries, cherries, blackberries, radishes, and red wine. Flavonones and flavins are found in citrus fruits. Men who regularly consume foods high in these flavonoids were 10% less likely to suffer from erectile dysfunction. Lead researcher Cassidy, and a professor of nutrition at the University of East Anglia, said in a university media release, "In the terms of quantities, we're talking about just a few portions a week." The study only found an association between flavonoid consumption and erectile function, and not a cause and effect connection. Other health experts said the study findings might just be the result of men eating lots of fruits and vegetables as a part of an overall healthy lifestyle. "I'm a firm believer that food is medicine," said Dr. Bruce Gilbert, the director of reproductive and sexual medicine at the Arthur Smith Institute of Urology in New Hyde Park, New York. The study involved more than 25,000 middle-aged men and older men who filled out regular health surveys since 1986. The men were asked in 2000, 2004, and 2008 to rate their ability to have and maintain an erection sufficient for intercourse. Researchers compared the answers to the amount of flavonoid-rich food the men reported eating in separate food questionnaires. The study showed that a higher total of fruit intake was associated with a 14% reduction in the risk of erectile dysfunction. Further, combining flavonoid-rich foods with exercise reduced the risk of erectile dysfunction by 21%. The benefit of flavonoids were greatest in men younger than 70, the researchers found. Flavonoids might boost a man's ability to achieve and maintain erection by helping preserve the health of his blood vessels, the researchers said in the background notes. Prior studies have shown that flavonoids can improve blood vessel function and reduce blood pressure. Gilbert noted that men in the study who ate lots of flavonoid-rich foods were also less likely to smoke or drink alcohol, and more likely to exercise regularly, all lifestyle factors that improve both heart health and erectile function. It's not surprising that increasing fruits and vegetables reduces disease, including erectile dysfunction, and it provides yet another motivating factor to adopt a healthy lifestyle change. If you're looking for a real way to get rid of your erectile dysfunction naturally, I invite you to check out the link in the description. It has helped thousands of men and myself cure our erectile dysfunction. I highly recommend it to anyone who suffers from erectile dysfunction, so don't wait. Check out the link in the description and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you. Thanks again for checking out my video.